Okay. Sorry. Anyways, skip.
Jorge has always put the ones he loves first. But when it comes to...
I was about to say ad. Anyways, what? This one has no relationship. And even they notice the title says, "Are you sure you want to watch this video?" Because they know that is inappropriate. And yet, Flamingo censored it 2009 style ish thing.
It's always been this. Blur this one. I don't like that one. Never done anything related to that.
I am skipping to the most interesting part.
I don't see a gender-neutral bathroom. All right, so they switched it, and now this person's going to be labeled a bad person. Uh-oh. No!
Boring. Skip, and...
Doesn't
I'm gonna air facepalm. Yes, that's a made-up word, I think, that I used just for fun. Anyways, time to air facepalm. I air facepalm because he censored it. I repeat, 2009 style-ish. I'm already 2 minutes and already I'm skipping the interesting part. And by interesting, I mean censoring. Also, unrelated.
Sprunky videos.
Unrelated, but yeah, he also milks Incredibox mods. I'm talking about Superdog Tyler, not Flamingo. Anyways, Superdog Tyler milks Sprunky. Not only Sprunky, the Incredibox mod, but also Sprunky mods. Why?
God, I need to get into...
This is... That's the end.
Gonna put a virus... What'd I do? What the hell? What is this?
Yeah, he played the fake version instead of the real version. Time to air facepalm again. You could tell since he played the fake version.
This inspired someone to make all of this.
What the flippin' Christ? I skipped to the censoring part. Well, only one uncensored part, and by that I mean only a single fake Sprunky, aka the Incredibox mod.
This little music game. How did we get here? I need to know. Alright, I think I just saw the worst one. I just saw the thumbnail. Making Incredibox Sprunky when is pregnant in the bathtub was great.
Oh, unrelated. But if you use autocorrect when he says is great. During when the music is there, it autocorrects it. So the caption changed it to So, Gray is now gay for some reason with the help of music.
Bathtub.
Unrelated. Unfitting audio detected. And always the same cliche thingy, like all brain rot things do. Also unrelated, but yeah, I made a couple criticisms on Weird Face. Not this bastard that I related to, that I made non-criticism videos with, or rants, which causes his channel to get deleted. And so does Flamingo, the one I'm talking about now.
Dude, someone's actually making this!
Nice.
Oh yeah, Flamingo isn't the only guy that doesn't use the term Elsagate before he realizes it. He actually never used the term unfitting noises.
This is an adult probably making this. Why did you do this? Love and friendship of boys and girls. Bouncy juicy. Pomni juicy.
Okay, seriously, what does that even mean?
Big balloons.
Oh.
Ah!
Why is Flamingo... Okay, seriously though, why is Flamingo screaming over butt inflation? Okay, how many guys are you to rank it? You, Flying Gal, what is it? You're probably like 5 years old. And you used the phone for the first time. So here's the phone. Oh, this is the Flamingo video. You'll never see her, but here's evidence. Here's the gangs. That's Monk. That's Flying Gal, who is 5 years old. Monkeys, I don't know if they have ages or not, but I'm going to see the Google search. But back to Foxy, who is an adult, despite being a robot. Peter Parker, who is the same age as him, as the man himself, as he was, who is an adult, obviously. And Shamrock Freddy, who is again an adult, despite being robots, which makes it physically impossible. Anyways, monkeys can live up to 40 years, so he's probably 39. Anyways, back to my rant. Oh yeah, I'm sorry if I broke the fourth wall, but this is gonna be the same lore fragments as Weird Face criticism video.
What the hell? You're doing BBL surgery. What do you get out of doing this 1 minute ago? Report this now. Report this now. There's no way.
I'm going to show you a meme to cure your thing, which I'm going to end the recording now.